All right, everybody, here's a quick tip. If you want to build your left hand strength and dexterity, here is a great left hand boogie woogie pattern that is a lot of fun to learn, a lot of fun to play, and gives you a chance to really stretch out your left hand chops. We're going to be learning it in the key of C, and because it's a boogie woogie, bluesy sort of thing, we're going to have to learn it over 3 different chords that we put together, but let's just start with the key of C. So this is over a C chord, and this is the pattern. If you look up Boogie Woogie on Wikipedia, you're going to find that left-hand pattern right away. So that's what we're learning. We start with octave Cs, then we start from the 3rd, the E, and move up stepwise. Move up chromatically, note by note, to the 5, to the G, and then play that octave. And you can do that over any key, over any chord. So let's learn F next. So it's the same pattern, octaves, starting from the 3rd up to the 5th. You just got to know you have enough notes to reach down and hit another octave. So that's nearly as low as we can go on the piano. And then back home. Let's learn it in G as well. So we're starting on Gs. And then back home to C. And that is our left hand boogie woogie part. That'll stretch your left hand, give you more strength and dexterity, and it's a lot of fun to learn. And the trickiest part is learning how to go straight from the pattern in one chord to another chord. And you can even do it with silly chords that don't make sense. You can start on a C, and now I want to do it in an A, and a D, and a C. Just pick a note at random and play that same pattern. It's always the same thing. You got octaves, starting from the 3rd, walking up to the 5th, and playing an octave below that. And then going where you want to for the next chord. So keep it light, keep it swinging. We don't want straight. It's always about that bounce. So there is your left hand boogie woogie quick tip.